and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Christina. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my double treble increase. And it's written as Dtr/Tr and then increase. I came up with this to help me make waves and to make it work within my patterns. So I figured I would share that with y'all. It could exist somewhere else as something else. I'm not sure. I searched and I didn't find anything like it, although it's pretty simple. So let me just show you. It basically is just two different stitches in one stitch. So I will start showing you in the back loop or the back post with a double treble, which is yarning over 3 times. I'm working in the back post there. And then you're going to do the treble in the same stitch. Working in the back post just kind of goes under the stitch that you just did. And it ends up looking like that. So now I'm going to show you in both loops. So it's just a double treble, and then a treble in that same stitch, and it looks like that. So, hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.